Ito, let's answer this. Coach, workout naman for back fats. So, since medyo marami yung nagtatanong, sagutin natin to. Meron kasing isang nag-comment. Kandidato ka sa Real Talk ni Coach. Okay. For everyone who's been watching me or following me, I apologize if ever na-offend ko kayo. Lalo na the way I talk to you, if na-offend ko yung mga feelings nyo, I did not mean it. So, paano nga ba mawala ang back fats? This time, I'll try to speak from the heart. So, para mawala ang back fats, isa lang ang gagawin nyo. Stop being fat. Kaya nga back fats, it means you are fat. Kung merong mga tabayang katawan nyo, kahit anong hila nyo dyan, hindi makikita yung definition ng inyong back. Kahit anong row nyo, kahit anong hila nyo, hindi nyo siya mahihila. Pabalik sa feeling nyo. Sa totoo lang, pagod na ako kakasagot ng questions na ganito eh. Pagod. Pagod na pagod na pagod na pagod na pagod na pagod na. Since makulit kayo at paulit-ulit itong questions na ganito, sasagutin ko kayo dahil makulit rin ako. So let me give you an example. This is our client Belle. This is the definition of her back nung siya ay naka-deficit. And this is her back nung medyo inangat namin siya o na-surplus. So kung makikita nyo, meron na siyang back fat. Now this is Ma'am Charmy. Makikita nyo yung kanyang back, may mga bilbil pa na iipit yan sa mga bra. And this is her back on a calorie deficit. O nakita nyo, lumiit na yung back niya, lumipis na yung mga bilbil. And this is Miss Sab. Ma'am Sab naman, ang main goal is to build muscle. This is her now. So kahit nakaharap siya, makikita mo, she already built a good back. So the first workout that you need is any pull down variation. Lakas kayo, you can do pull-ups, you can do lat pull down, close grip pull down, underhand grip pull down, neutral grip pull down, or the machines. Pwede kayong mag-pull down sa machines. Anything na hinihila pababa. Now the next workout that you will do for your back is any row movement. Pahila, papunta sa tiyan yung inyong mga kamay. You can do barbell rows, single arm unilateral row, cable rows, or any row movement that you prefer and enjoy doing. Now, the intensity of your back workouts will depend sa inyong fitness level and sa baseline ng inyong strength. So, 2 to 3 sets of each workout. Run a program of 8 up to 15 repetition. The intensity should be starting from RIR4, and slowly as you progress, you can run a program of RIR2 or go to failure. So your back workouts should look like this per week. You need to go on a calorie deficit while building your back and hit your protein intake of at least 0.8 grams per pound of your body weight. So kahit anong row nyo dyan, kahit anong hila nyo dyan, hindi gaganda ang back nyo. At lalong hindi nyo mahihila yan kahit anong hila nyo. Pabalik sa inyong mga feeling. I hope this helps.